Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our chapter that we were studying. So, what are you anyway? From page number 27, paragraph 39. We had done till paragraph 38, where the girl who is the main uh, character in the story, her name is Carol. She is going to the bathroom, and Henry Norton and his wife Betty Norton are the passengers sitting right beside her. And Henry Norton teases Carol and says that while you go to the toilet, be careful because there's a big hole in the toilet from where you can fall out of the aeroplane. So, till here we have studied. Now we will continue further. Paragraph 39. There is not, Carol says. There isn't any such thing. She heads down the aisle while with an eye out just in case there is a hole after all. So Carol is after all here a little girl, and although she does not see herself as a little girl, उसको लगता है कि वो बड़ी हो चुकी है, she's a big girl now, but actually she's a little girl. And what happens that when Henry Norton says that there's a big hole down the toilet, so Carol says that there is not, कोई ऐसा hole नहीं है, but she walks very carefully in case there is any such hole. Okay. Coming out of the toilet, Carol finds the stewardess. Excuse me, miss, could I sit somewhere else? So Carol finds the stewardess when she comes out of the toilet. Stewardess is she's the lady in who looks after the passengers' needs and etc. things in the aeroplane or train or bus. Okay, so here it is an aeroplane. She finds the stewardess and she asks her कि मैम क्या मैं कहीं और बैठ सकती हूँ? Could I sit somewhere else? So the woman, she frowns means she raises an eyebrow. उसको लगता है कि क्यों तुमको अलग जगह बैठना है? तो she says why? I don't like the window. तो कैरोल बोलती है कि मुझे विंडो सीट पसंद नहीं है. Is that it? Is that the only reason? तो स्टीवर्डस जो है वो बोलती है कि क्या सच में यही बात है, यही रीजन है? बिकॉज पीपल मेनली प्रिफर द विंडो सीट, राइट? एंड हियर कैरोल सेज दैट शी डज नॉट लाइक द विंडो सीट. वेल यस, तो कैरोल कहती है हाँ यही रीजन है. आई एम सॉरी बट वी डोंट हैव टाइम टू मूव यू नाउ. वी आर सर्विंग अ मील, आस्क मी लेटर इफ यू लाइक. तो जो स्टीवर्डस रहती है वो कहती है कि अभी हम लोग खाना सर्व करने जा रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू सर्व द मील, सो आस्क मी लेटर if you like. After Carol has eaten and had her tray taken, the man says, What are you anyway? My wife and I were wondering. तो कैरोल जब खाना खत्म कर लेती है तो जो मैन रहता है हेनरी नॉर्टन, he asks, What are you anyway? The very first thing that strikes us here is, why is he referring to a girl, to a person as what? He could have asked, Who are you? Right? But he says, What are you? As if she was not a person, as if she was a thing. कोई सामान थी वो, ऐसा तो था नहीं कोई सामान थी. She was a person. उसे पूछना चाहिए था तुम कौन हो. Instead he asks तुम क्या हो. ठीक है. He says my wife and I were wondering. तो कहता है कि मैं और मेरी पत्नी सोच रहे थे कि तुम हो क्या actually. So just Carol just does not know what to say. अचानक से कोई आए हमारे पास आके हमसे पूछे तुम क्या हो. What would you say? Right. Similarly, Carol also does not know what to answer. Carol blinks, sees the man's clear blue eyes and drops her head. What do you mean? She says. Carol को थोड़ा अजीब लगता है ये question. She does not like it. उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, but she knows that it is not a very nice thing to ask. And she says, आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं? You know what are you? What race? तो जो हेनरी नॉर्टन रहते हैं वो अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. आई मीन बाय रेस, तुम किस रेस की हो? कैरोल माउथ ड्रॉप्स. रेस? what is that? She doesn't understand, yet she senses that the man is asking a bad question. तो रेस कैरोल को पता ही नहीं होता है कि क्या है. रेस इन द सेंस she belongs to the blacks or she belongs to the whites. That way the man is discriminating. And he asks, race? अब कैरोल को पता ही नहीं है कि what is race actually. She has never heard the term. She does not know what race means. ठीक है. लेकिन वो ये समझ जाती है कि this is not a very good question to ask. Okay, उसे समझ में आ जाता है कि it is a bad question. She wishes her mom and dad were there, they could tell what race meant. तो अब इस टाइम कैरोल को फील होता है कि काश मम्मी पापा यहाँ होते, they would have told them कि रेस क्या होता है. ठीक है. That doll of yours is black, Henry Norton says. That's a Negro doll. That's race. Negro. What's your race? तो हेनरी नॉर्टन फिर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि तुम्हारी जो डॉल है वो ब्लैक है. ब्लैक है मतलब नीग्रो है, एंड नीग्रो इज अ रेस. दिस इज रेस. तो व्हाट्स योर रेस? तुम्हारा रेस क्या है? ठीक है. नीग्रो मीन्स नीग्रो इज कह सकते हो एक कस वर्ड, एक अब्यूजिव वर्ड है अफ्रीकन्स को बोलने के लिए, बिकॉज दे आर जनरली नॉट, दे डू नॉट हैव अ वेरी फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन, दे हैव द डार्कर स्किन टोन, एंड दे वर like much earlier in our world, the Africans were used by the Americans. They were treated as slaves. They were taken from Africa to Europe and other countries, and they were treated as slaves. Okay, so this word here is not, Negro word here is not a very good word. You can see where the meaning of Negro is written. At last it is written, do not use this word. Okay, because it can hurt someone's feelings, right? So what happens that the question still confuses her. तो अब भी ये question कैरोल को उतना अच्छे से समझ में नहीं आता है. Put it this way, the man says, what's your father? The question baffles her. What is her father? He is her dad. He is her dad, and every Sunday morning he makes pancakes. Okay, so what happens that the man, he puts the question that ठीक है, अगर तुमको अभी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो ये बताओ, what is your father? Means he again does not use the word who, he uses the word what, and that is very insensible of Henry Norton to ask it that way. What? Why what? Okay, so he is her dad, and every Sunday morning he makes pancakes for the whole family and lets Carol pour hot syrup on them, and afterwards he tells her stories. तो Carol कहती है, what means father is father? Father is Carol's father. He makes pancakes every Sunday and he asks Carol to pour hot syrup over the pancakes, and then he tells her stories. So इसमें what का कोई question ही नहीं है. Norton leans towards Carol. Say you had a coloring book. What color would you make your dad? तो अब जो है मिस्टर नॉर्टन वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा इनसेंसिटिव हो जाते हैं एक छोटी सी बच्ची से. एटलीस्ट उनके सामने तो वो छोटी है ना, उनकी वाइफ के सामने, बट ही बिकम्स वेरी इनसेंसिटिव टुवर्ड्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस लाइक दैट टू अ स्मॉल लिटिल गर्ल, एंड ही सेज, ठीक है, सपोज यू हैड अ कलरिंग बुक. ओके, तो तुम अपने डैड को किस कलर से कलर करती? ठीक. आई नेवर यूज जस्ट वन कलर. सो कैरोल जस्ट सेज, मैं कभी भी एक कलर यूज नहीं करती. ओके, व्हाट कलर वुड यू मेक हिज फेस? तो now the question is even more tormenting, more torturing, that is hurting the girl's sentiments. ठीक. पूछता है, ठीक है, ये बताओ कि अगर ठीक है तुम बहुत सारे कलर यूज करती, एक कलर यूज नहीं करती, लेकिन उनका फेस किस कलर से कलर करती? ब्राउन. एंड योर मदर? Carol imagines a blank page. What would she put in her mother's face? She has to put something in there. She can't leave it blank. I don't know. तो जो हेनरी नॉर्टन रहते हैं वो पूछते हैं, एंड हाउ वुड यू कलर योर मदर? तो कैरोल को अपने मदर का ख्याल आता है. हर मदर मस्ट बी हैविंग अ फेयर स्किन टोन, ज़्यादा गोरी होंगी वो. ठीक है. एंड शी नोज दैट पेज को ब्लैंक तो छोड़ नहीं सकते, तो कुछ तो कलर करना पड़ेगा. कहती है, आई डोंट नो. श्योर यू डू, मिसेस नॉर्टन सेज. नाउ द क्वेश्चन शिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम मिस्टर नॉर्टन टू मिसेस नॉर्टन. ओके, श्योर यू डू कहती हैं, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि यू डोंट नो, पता तो तुम्हें है. हाउ वुड यू कलर योर मदर्स फेस? तो वो पूछती हैं कि तुम अपने माँ का चेहरा किस कलर से कलर करती? कैरोल सेज, येलो. येलो? इट इज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ कलर टू कलर अ पर्सन's face. Carol sees Mr. and Mrs. Norton look at each other. Is your mother Chinese? Mrs. Norton asks. So Carol जो है अब Mr. and Mrs. Norton एक दूसरे की तरफ देखते हैं, and Carol sees this and they look at each other with a different kind of expression and says, तुम्हारी mother Chinese है क्या? Why would you color her yellow? Carol sees Mr. and Mrs. Norton look at each other. Is your mother Chinese? Mrs. Norton asks. Carol replies, no, Are you sure you'd color her yellow? No. तो ये लोग पूछते हैं कि is your mother Chinese? Carol says no. Then they ask, Mrs. Norton asks that then are you sure you'll color her yellow? So she says no, I'm not sure. What else might you color her? What else? Carol feels ashamed at her stupidity. A tear races down her cheek. Red, she finally says. Now see, these husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Norton, they are asking a little girl questions that hurt her feelings. She has started crying now. Okay, she just weeps and a tear rolls down her cheek. रोने लगती है, उसके आंसू उसके फेस पे गिरने लगते हैं. And she feels ashamed at her stupidity, that why would she color her mother's face as yellow. Then she says, red, I'll color her face red. Red, you can't color a face red. Is your mother white? Is she like me? Her face, is it the same color as mine? So अब जो है ये लोग थोड़ा समझ जाते हैं एंड कहते हैं कि रेड तो कोई कलर नहीं होता है किसी का फेस कलर करने का. सो मिसेस नॉर्टन सेज दैट इज हर कॉम्प्लेक्शन लाइक मी, क्या वो मेरी तरह है, मेरी तरह गोरी हैं? इज शी हैविंग द सेम कलर एज दैट ऑफ माई फेस? कैरोल सेज यस. एंड योर फादर्स ब्राउन? कैरोल नॉड्स. मीन्स फिर पूछती हैं कि ठीक है तुम्हारी मदर वाइट है एंड इज योर फादर ब्राउन? सो शी सेज, कैरोल सेज यस. Carol nods, means she just shakes her head in a yes. Okay. When you say you brown, do you mean he's a Negro? So Mrs. Norton, she asks Carol that अगर तुम ये कहती हो कि your father is brown in color, so do you mean that he's a Negro? Yes, of course her father is a Negro. If Mrs. Norton wanted to know all along if her dad was a Negro, why didn't she just ask? So कैरोल जो है कहती है yes, he is a Negro. लेकिन फिर वो सोचती है कि अगर मिसेस नॉर्टन को यही पूछना था कि if my father is a Negro or not, then she could have simply asked. What was the point of exaggerating? इतना बढ़ा चढ़ा के, इतना हर्ट करके किसी के सेंटिमेंट्स को ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछने की क्या जरूरत थी? So you're mixed, Mrs. Norton says. You're a mulatto. So what happens that then her questions does not stop. She is still being very rude, very cruel to the girl, and she says, so you're mixed, means तुम एक white lady and एक brown man की mixed child हो. You are a mulatto. Mulatto means it is also an abusive word, an offensive word used for a child whose one parent is black and one parent is white. Okay. So this is also a very rude thing to ask to any child. And she says, you are a mulatto. Means she's hurting her Carol's feelings. Carol's lip quivers. What is a mulatto? Why do they keep asking her what she is? She isn't anything. So what happens that Carol's lip quivers, means जब बच्चे रोने वाले होते हैं तो उनके होठ they just कांपने नहीं लगते हैं होठ उनके, वैसे ही. तो कैरोल थिंक्स दैट ये लोग इतना क्वेश्चन क्यों कर रहे हैं, मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ, आई एम नोबडी, व्हाई आर दे आस्किंग एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स टू मी? सो इज दैट इट? यू आर अ मुलेटो. यू नो व्हाट अ मुलेटो इज, डोंट यू? हैवंट योर पेरेंट्स टॉट यू दैट वर्ड? नाउ दे आर बीइंग मोर इनसेंसिटिव. दे आर आस्किंग कि तुम्हें ये भी नहीं पता कि मुलेटो क्या होता है, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने तुम्हें सिखाया नहीं. Approaching with a cart of juice, the stewardess looks up and smiles at Carol. That gives her a rush of courage. इतने देर में stewardess आ जाती है with a cart and she has juice for Carol in it. Okay. Leave me alone, she screams at Mrs. Norton. Now she's very irritated. She's a child and she's crying and she has just broken down and she says that leave me alone. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Okay. Passengers stare. The stewardess spills a drink. जो पैसेंजर्स हैं वो स्टेयर करने लगते हैं मिस्टर मिसेस नॉर्टन एंड कैरोल की तरफ देखने लगते हैं सब लोग. वो इतना तेज कैरोल चिल्लाती है. द स्टीवर्डेस स्पिल्स अ ड्रिंक. स्टीवर्डेस भी जो है एकदम से कैरोल चिल्लाती है तो डर जाती है ना, उसके हाथ से भी जो ड्रिंक रहता है, वो जूस रहता है, वो गिर जाता है. मिसेस नॉर्टन सिट्स हार्ड इन हर सीट, हर हैंड्स रेस्ड, फिंगर्स स्प्रेड. कैरोल सीज पीपल वॉचिंग. नाउ क्या होता है कि मिसेस नॉर्टन जो है वो भी सोचती हैं कि अरे यार अब छोड़ देना चाहिए, शीज मतलब चिल्लाने विल्लाने लगी है लड़की तो इसको छोड़ देना चाहिए. शी जस्ट सिट्स बैक ऑन हर सीट, मूव्स बैक एंड रेजेस अ हैंड, हाथ ऊपर करती है एंड स्प्रेड्स हर फिंगर्स एज इन टू गिव अप. ओके. देन व्हाट हैपेंस? Why do you keep asking me if my dad is a Negro? Yes, he's Negro. Okay, okay, Negro, Negro, Negro. So what happens that Carol is now very angry, very irritated, very upset, and she says, वो एकदम से इतनी देर तो बेचारी सहमी हुई रहती है, लेकिन स्टीवर्डेस की स्माइल देख के उसको थोड़ा करेज मिलता है, एंड वो मिसेस नॉर्टन पे चिल्लाती है, Why do you keep asking me if my dad is a Negro? Yes, he's a Negro. है वो Negro. Okay, okay. Do you understand it? She's very irritated and she repeats the word Negro, Negro, Negro. Yes, he's a Negro. Okay. Calm down, Mrs. Norton says, reaching over. Now, Mrs. Norton जो है वो कैरोल की तरफ अपना हाथ बढ़ाती हैं, कहती हैं, calm down. Don't touch her, the stewardess says. Now, the stewardess also feels angry कि इतनी छोटी सी बच्ची पे ये लोग इतने torturing, इतने cruel questions कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. The stewardess says, don't touch her. Who are these people? Someone says from across the aisle. Imagine talking to a child like that, and in 1970, means 1970, when everything is so good with, means the world is raising slogans of equality, fraternity, all these things, and they are talking to a small little girl in this way. In 1970 means when, जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि 21st सेंचुरी में आके आप लोग ऐसी बातें करें, तो 1970 मीन्स इट वॉज द 20th सेंचुरी, राइट? सो 20th सेंचुरी में लोग ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं, दैट टू इन 1917, द लेट 20th सेंचुरी. ठीक है, सो इट इज क्वाइट अ मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड एंड दे आर टॉकिंग टू अ स्मॉल लिटिल गर्ल लाइक दैट. ठीक है, तो एवरीबडी फील्स लाइक दे स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट मिस्टर एंड मिसेस नॉर्टन डिफरेंटली. And they say, who are these people? ये लोग हैं कौन? मतलब just imagine कोई एक छोटे से बच्चे से इस तरह से बातें करता है. One woman sitting in front of Carol stands up and turns around. Would you like to come and sit with me, little girl? तो एक woman है, वो Carol के सामने वाली सीट पे बैठी हुई है. She just stands up and turns around and asks Carol कि क्या तुम मेरे साथ बैठोगी यहाँ पे? No, Carol shouts. I don't like all these questions. She keep asking me how would I color my parents in a coloring book. Why do you keep asking me that? ठीक है, तो Carol जो है बहुत गुस्से में है and she says, नहीं, मुझे नहीं बैठना है, मुझे कहीं नहीं जाना है. I don't like these people asking me such questions and they keep asking me that how would I color my parents on a coloring book. What type of question is this? Why would I color my parents in a coloring book and why would you ask me that? Mrs. Norton pleads with Carol to stop. अब Mrs. Norton को थोड़ा embarrassing फील होता है, उन्होंने क्वेश्चंस खुद पूछे हैं, लेकिन अब कैरोल जो है वो चिल्ला चिल्ला के सबको बता रही है, एंड मिसेस नॉर्टन को काफ़ी एम्बेरस्ड, काफ़ी शेमफुल फील होता है, एंड शी मतलब कहती है, कैरोल को कहती है कि अरे प्लीज चुप हो जाओ, अब हो गया बहुत. ठीक है. हाउ वुड यू लाइक इफ दैट हैपन टू यू? कैरोल सेज. नाउ व्हेन मिसेस नॉर्टन प्लीड्स कैरोल टू स्टॉप, कैरोल सेज कि आपको कैसा लगता अगर आपके साथ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कोई करता. ठीक है. So what are you anyway? What are your parents? How would you color them? Well, I don't care. I don't even care. So Carol just says that आपसे अगर कोई ऐसे क्वेश्चन करता कि तुम क्या हो, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स क्या हैं, how would you color them, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता भाई, मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता इन सब चीज़ों से. Carol just says this. How would you like to come and sit with me? The stewardess says smiling. तो जो stewardess रहती है वो कैरोल को comfort करती है, कहती है कि ठीक है, how would you like if you are allowed to come and sit with me? अगर तुम मेरे साथ आके बैठो, तुम you can come and sit with me. It will feel better. So the stewardess says this smiling. I'll make you a special drink. Have you ever had a Shirley Temple? So Shirley Temple is just another drink. It is made of ginger beer and sweet and sour syrup, and it is topped with a cherry. Okay, so all this is about the drink. Well, that's not the topic here. So the stewardess, she asks Carol that would you like to come and sit with me? I'll make you a Shirley Temple, a different kind of juice, you can say. Okay, so Carol nods enthusiastically. No, Carol is a small little girl, she just gets happy, so she says that she nods her head enthusiastically, means she's now happy that she'll go and sit somewhere else. Already she feels better. Clutching Amy, she passes by the Nortons, who swing their legs to let her out. Now what happens that वो अपने डॉल, अपनी एमी को पकड़ती है, ठीक है, and she passes by the Nortons, और वो निकल जाती है because she was on the window seat and the Nortons were on the middle and the aisle seat, so she just passes them, ठीक है, and they let her out. My God, Carol hears Mrs. Norton tell her husband, talk about sensitive, ठीक है. So Mrs. Norton, when Carol has left with the stewardess, Mrs. Carol hears Mrs. Norton say that, my God, talk about sensitive. Means that she is still not realizing how hurt, how sad she has made the girl to feel, and उसको कितना हर्ट हुआ है, उस कैरोल को कितना हर्ट हुआ है मिस्टर एंड मिसेस नॉटन के बातों से, कि different type of questions say about the race, about what she was, about her being mixed, and calling her with different abusive words, and her father negro. It was so hurting for Carol, and she does not even realize it. She just says that, my God, talk about sensitive. Means the talk was really sensitive, and the little girl made a big issue out of it when it was not. That means she does not even realize that she was hurting the little girl's feelings. That's all about this chapter. I am also sending the word meanings and the question answers along with it, and this chapter's exercise. They are not very important. You haven't studied clauses and phrases, noun phrase and noun clause along with the head word and all, so we'll not do the exercise of this chapter. It is just the meanings and the question answers. I have sent them to you, and in the previous video when we were studying Patol Babu, when I sent you the exercises of Patol Babu, there I had given you 4 to 5 words whose meanings you had to find out from the dictionary. तो आज मैंने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ वो मीनिंग्स भी आपको दिए हैं, आप लोग चेक कर लीजिएगा. इफ द मीनिंग इज सेम और इट मीन्स सेम, then it is fine. Otherwise you can correct it in your copies. Okay, so this is it with the chapter. Thank you students, have a good day.